Nanny Julie, nice to see you. Today we are gonna draw a cute unicorn. Subscribe to my channel and you won't miss my new lessons. Now we will need any paper, a pencil, an eraser, and something with which you will color. Now let's look at the picture. Our unicorn has a head, ear, horn, neck, body, mane, and legs and tail. Let's look at the picture one more time. Head, ear, horn, neck, body, legs, mane, and tail. Okay, let's start drawing. Choose spot on your paper you like. I will start over here on the top of the paper. Draw a C shape over here. C shape. Then S shape on the top. S shape. And U shape on the bottom over here. U shape. And upside down V shape over here for the horn. Upside down V shape. That's the way to go, you did it! And let's add short diagonal stroke inside. Now draw upside down V shape for ear. Backward C shape over here. And connect these ends with another backwards C shape. Getting better all the time. Keep it up. Now let's draw a cute muzzle. Draw a big circle for eye. Backward C shape inside the eye. Then two small circles for highlight. And let's color a big circle and leave those little circles white. Short stick for the nostril. And curve over here for smile. That's the way, I like your line. Now let's draw the body and neck. Draw diagonal line over here. Then oval for body. As I start over here, comes down, curve right, curve up, right, and connect with the mane. Now let's draw legs. Draw two straight lines on the left side, the first and the second, and connect them with a curve. Getting better all the time, I'm proud of you. Then draw another straight line on the left side and connect with the leg. Now let's draw another leg. Draw diagonal line over here, then short another diagonal line over here, and then straight line that goes down. Another straight line over here and connect these ends. And let's draw the last leg. Draw straight line over here on the left side and connect with the leg. Let's add some details. Diagonal line over here, 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 and here. Oh, you've got it! I like your lines! Now let's draw the tail. Draw a rainbow shape on the right side. Then curve over here. Then let's draw backwards S shape and connect with this end. Now let's add some details. Several lines inside the mane. And inside the tail. That's the way to go, you did it! You can ask your parents to share your finished masterpiece to Instagram, Patreon or Facebook. Tag me in photo, Nanny Julie. I will see the drawing and answer to show your message. Now let's color it together. You can choose any color you like. The first step is tracing. By tracing and coloring inside. Tracing and coloring inside. Tracing and coloring inside. Now I choose orange for horn. Then I choose pink and violet for mane. Tracing and coloring inside. Tracing and coloring. Tracing and coloring inside. Tracing again. And coloring inside. Tracing again. Try to stay inside the lines. If it's hard for you, it's okay. Don't give up. Keep on trying. You can do it. Tracing again and coloring inside. Tracing, coloring inside. Tracing again and coloring inside again. Then I choose brown for legs. And I choose pink for blush. I draw an oval and color it inside. Wow, you did awesome in coloring and drawing unicorn. You can be super proud of your drawing. I hope you had a lot of fun coloring and drawing with me. Try my other videos, YouTube channel Nanny Julie. Check my Patreon for cute coloring page and private drawing lessons for kids. See you! Bye bye!